UFOs were spotted flying near a double rainbow in Barcelona. Then, just days later, Spain was hit with horrific flooding. In fact, it was the country's worst flood in nearly 30 years. The tragedy has taken more than 200 lives so far and left nearly 100 missing. Those UFOs are spotted just days earlier, appearing to weave in and out of the sky. These close-up images show how closely they were hovering around the double rainbow. Some believe those UFOs caused the flood. What do you think? Now that you know where we've been, find out where we're going. Tune in to Ladies Love Politics, where you can stay informed without going insane.